Hello everybody, exeter-rider, hope you're doing well. Now this week I'm going out with at Devon Autocyclists, which is a local group, and I'm going out on the DAX, and a lot of them have little 125 scooters and old retro scooters, etc. So let's get cracking. Well then guys, so we just departed from our meeting place and been on the road for about, I don't know, 10 minutes now through the lanes. And yeah, got some really interesting bikes around here. I've got a Grom in front, which has been spec'd up. Apparently he only bought that bike for £400. Put a new engine in it, so there was a few issues with it, and yeah, done a few bits and bobs. We got a bargain there. Then we got a really old to be honest, a lot of the bikes I don't even know what they are. That old 50 in front there with the pedals which is fantastic. Hello. Lots of Cub 90s as well. In fact, they're not Cub 90s, they're actually 110s because they've been upgraded. But yeah, these guys are a super group of guys. Yeah, so we've got Roy out in front, who's our leader. Alright, so we're just going to try and catch up with the group now because the other chap on the moped is struggling a bit, so... He's going to catch up with us, alright? Makes you feel young again going out with a group of people like this, like you're 16 again, dossing around on mopeds. And all I can smell is two-stroke as well, which is another bonus. I guess that's another good thing with these mini bikes, is that you can go out and to your local club and you can have a bit of fun, you know, a bit of fun, meet new people, go out on nice rides together, go to the local pub, have a spot of lunch or a drink. Yeah, they got quite a following, these little clubs. Beautiful place, beautiful day, I suppose, always helps. Yeah, super ride out so far. I've ventured into lanes I never knew existed, and to be honest, there's lots of... I've totally lost my bearings. I've absolutely no idea where I am, and every signpost is saying places which I've never heard of. So, you know, would I do this on the NC? Yeah, I could do, but it's more fun on a little bike like this doing lanes, isn't it? Plus you don't have to hold it back, you can just you know, use the throttle to its full capacity and not have any fear of lugging around a big bike as well. So yeah, it's good fun. Classic example, we've been out for an hour now doing the lanes and we're still in Exeter. How weird is that? It's good. I'm glad I'm seeing these new lanes, but it's definitely lanes I've never considered being in my local area. And in fact, judging by that sign back there, we're actually only 3 miles out from where we started. Yet we've been on the road for about half an hour now. It's really cool seeing these little roads. So here we are in Bickleigh now. So we're close to our stop, where the pub is, over the bridge. Beautiful part of the world down here. expertly led by Roy in front. Certainly knows his lanes. And yeah, he's on his little Honda 90 there, which has only got about 8,000 miles on it, I think, I remember correctly. So that's quite a rare find. Normally it's the opposite, isn't it? Normally it's super high mileage on those scooters. Scooter? Is that what it is? Yeah, it is really, isn't it? Well, I think it is. So yeah, we're going to stop off here, have a drink. And as I say, it's if you ever come down here and you've got kids, the Devon Railway Centre in there is fantastic. Got a nice cafe in there as well, right down by the water's edge there. And oh, we're going in here. I thought we were going to the pub actually, but no, we're not. So what I'll do is I'll get all the lads to come in. Here's all the bikes. Let's have a little walk round and see if we can nab anyone to speak to.
Here he is. Oh, perhaps this one.
Oh, look at this. Well done.
Oh, you've got quite behind us. I've been right up to the moon.
Got some steam coming out there, you know that, do you? Is that normal?
That's oil.
Oil, is it? Yeah.
Yeah. Running non-stop.
Sorry, you mind talking about what is this? What bike is this?
This is a Honda PS50.
PS50.
PS50 being P for pedal
Oh yeah.
and S for sport.
Sport. Oh yeah.
Because it is the sports version of it. Again. Yeah.
What about the O for oil then?
That
Killing the planet.
When that's on Roy's drive, we use a mug to catch it. Yeah. Don't want to waste it.
Yeah. Fun to ride though, is it?
Yeah, it's fun to ride. It's a lovely little balance bike, 1969.
Oh yeah.
Comes from Holland, and it's got a lovely little badge on the back, which you might like to look at.
Oh yeah.
Original dealer.
Oh yes. In Helmond, is that?
Helmond.
Oh yeah.
And that's not the Helmond that we know of.
Not that one.
No. But the shop that it came from is still there. You can find it on the internet. It's like an old bike shop.
Oh yeah. And it's a two-seater as well.
It's a two-seater, yeah.
Allegedly.
And
But that's interesting.
It's got quite a lot of torque, but it's quite rare. It's got best torque. It's a lovely little bike. In America. So there aren't many of them about.
No, it's very unusual.
The only other person I know to actually have had one, even though I have seen a couple for sale, was James
Designed as a
May.
fuel saver.
Oh really? Yeah.
Because he's got quite a collection of them.
So for people with big heads,
Have you got any other bikes as well? Or is just this one, is it?
No, I've
clean
got
out your
a
engine.
TC50, bright orange, which everyone recognises.
more miles
Yeah.
per gallon.
Which actually goes better than this one at the
And this-
moment.
Right.
See, in the old days,
This probably would have been
the
more
Hope
suited
Tube
for
guys.
today's ride.
Little tiny drum brake as well.
Yeah,
and you'd
you
get
have
like
to
flat
think about the
spots, especially
braking
in high
long
mileage
before you
cars.
ever actually really need it.
Yeah.
Where the fuel
And when you're in the lanes, you just
airflow
hope,
meter.
because it's a back pedal
That's
brake as
kind of-
well.
Oh yeah.
one
Yeah.
particular place.
Because your gears are on here, so
Oh I see.
this one is all.
How does that work? Then you twist this and go up and down.
Yeah, the clutch is a normal clutch, and you just flick it back into first. They're actually work very well.
All right.
But the restriction is the brake, because you have to move the brake somewhere.
Yeah.
And because you have pedals, you can't have an ordinary foot brake.
Yeah. It's a lovely bike though. It really is really nice.
Great little bike.
It's a real period piece, that one.
Yeah.
It's very unusual.
And it's quite nice to ride. I should get it running right. I've had it a few years, and the only way to get it running right is to bring it out on a bring it out on a ride and realise what its problem is.
Yeah.
Because this is a push rod engine, isn't it? Is this a push rod one?
This is the early overhead cam.
Oh, yeah. Get this.
The push rod engine. Funny thing is, they went from the overhead cam engine to the push
Yeah.
Where, on the cubs, they went the other way.
That's right, yeah.
But this is an overhead cam one, and it leaks from the cam. It leaks up around the top here.
Yeah.
It's only a drip, but it just happens to end up on the exhaust.
Yeah.
But it'll stop dripping in a minute. It's because it's got an oil pump in it. They do pump quite a lot of oil up the top.
Oh, Roy, it's a lovely run.
That's right, isn't it?
Took us to places.
That's the shortest one we do, like, so, and the easiest.
Yeah.
The others are up and down, round.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, narrower lanes and things.
Yeah. I don't mind either, actually.
No,
it's nice.
Testing, isn't it?
This is probably the maximum size bike, really.
Yeah.
For what, so,
Yeah. It's funny because a couple of times I thought we must be out of Exeter now. Next minute we're in Broadcliff. So how the hell did we get here? So yeah, was it 72? 71. It's done 3,400 miles. It's a bit of a catch, that one, isn't it?
yeah.
It's nice having a nice light bike go, isn't it? Can't beat it, can you?
I can't get over this front wobbling around like this.
Yeah.
On the corners. You sort of it gets light at certain times.
Bit wallowy.
Yeah, that's the word.
That's the word. Yeah.
Well, the
That's
guy
very good, mate.
before me, he used to whack it round the corners, and he's got the exhaust.
Yeah.
It's sprayed all the way round.
Oh, right.
He's actually worn through this.
Oh, yeah.
Going through there because he hadn't adjusted anything. So
Have you had any trouble with it? It's sort of been pretty.
yeah, a few issues, like really me more than anything.
Yeah. It's a fun little bike, though.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a good day out though. Really enjoyed that. Lovely bunch of people. It's always nice going out on a bike, no matter what. On a day like this, isn't it? Seeing the views. Really nice. Right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week at 4 PM. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's a big help for me. And yeah, see you on the next one. Cheers.